A few months ago, I got to do an unboxing video of the Chery Tiggo Cross, which is the subcompact crossover successor to the outgoing Chery Tiggo 5. Now, when I did that video, I said there that the Chery Tiggo Cross looked like a hybrid or an electric vehicle. Hey, well, jackpot! You see, this, my friends, is the Chery Tiggo Cross HEV, and in this video, we get to unbox it. Let's do this. We all know that the Philippine automotive space is moving towards hybrids and electrified vehicles. That's why it makes a lot of sense that Chery Auto Philippines brought in the Chery Tiggo Cross HEV. The Tiggo Cross HEV is a subcompact crossover with a full hybrid system, which grants it hybrid perks like fantastic fuel economy and, of course, number coding exemption until the year 2030. The best part? It also comes at a great value with an introductory price of 1,198,000 Philippine pesos. So what can we expect from the Chery Tiggo Cross HEV? Let's find out. Here at Reagan's Rides, we do car reviews of SUVs, sports cars, trucks, and everything in between. So subscribe and hit the bell. Ask anybody who will see the Chery Tiggo Cross and I guarantee you that they will all say that this is an electrified crossover. You see, this front fascia design literally screams hybrid, hybrid. Yeah, in fact, it could even pass for a full electric vehicle. See, it's the way that they made the front grille design. See, this is what Chery calls, starry diamond front grille, and it's set on this tiger-inspired face, and it looks really darn good. Now, I love the fact that Chery Auto managed to minimize the actual openings of this front grille to just this area here and here at the bottom part, even if this is a hybrid and not a full EV. Now, it gives it that nice and clean look. It has that sleek and clean look overall. Now, we also have, of course, LED headlight units here. We have sequential LED turn signals, and we have these vertical LED DRLs. Now, the side profile is a typical Tiggo crossover silhouette. We've got these sleek and low-profile roof rails up top. You've got your power-folding side mirrors with the turn signals there, and we have a set of 17-inch alloy wheels. Now, behind those wheels, we've got MacPherson front suspension, and we've got a torsion beam at the back, plus the ground clearance is a healthy 190 millimeters. Now, this being a hybrid electric vehicle or an HEV, the Tiggo Cross does not need to be plugged in to recharge the 1.83 kilowatt-hour battery pack. Instead, that battery pack is, recharged by the gasoline engine as well as brake regeneration from your four-wheel disc brakes. Now that, my friends, makes the Chery Tiggo Cross HEV the ideal crossover for people who cannot really install chargers in their parking areas. Now, the Chery Tiggo Cross Hybrid may not have a charge port, but this subcompact crossover can still do up to 1,200 kilometers worth of overall range on a single 51-liter tank of gasoline. Oh yeah! Dude, that is Chery Auto's super hybrid system for you. You see, other HEVs out there would be, they'd be lucky enough to get up to 1,000 kilometers worth of range on a single tank of gasoline. So that means that at 1,200 kilometers, this Chery Tiggo Cross HEV is the best in class when it comes to the overall range, at least for a hybrid electric vehicle. Now, here's the deal, pare. Here's the deal. This Tiggo Cross is, it's not just fuel efficient. It's also pretty darn powerful. You see, we have a 1.5-liter gasoline engine here paired with an electric motor and combined we get a total output of 204 PS and 310 Newton meters of maximum torque. Oh man, oh yeah. Woo, wow, that's a lot of power. I mean, pare, that means that the Chery Tiggo Cross HEV is the most powerful subcompact crossover hybrid here in the Philippines when I made this video. Oh yeah. When you step into the cabin, you will see that Chery Auto is not fooling around with the Tiggo Cross HEV. You see, we have a premium cabin experience here as what we've come to expect from these Chery Tiggos. We've got soft touch materials all around, from the leather seats here to the leather inserts on the dashboard, on the door cards, to the leather-wrapped steering wheel, which, by the way, also tilts and telescopes. Oh yes. Now, we also have a pair of 10.25-inch LED panels here with the instrument panel showing your hybrid information and the infotainment system, the 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system, now sporting wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, plus the image of a 540-degree view camera. I mean, wow! Grabe. Hanep. Now, in terms of safety, pare, the Chery Tiggo Cross HEV has adaptive cruise control as well as all of those driver assist aids that you are now seeing on your screen. I mean, what the heck, man? Yeah, Chery Auto gave this subcompact crossover literally everything that you need and then some. I mean, what else can you ask for, di ba? Ano ba kailangan mo? Nandito na lahat. Kompleto na. And the best part, mga dude, pare, below 1.2 million Philippine pesos. Saan ka pa, di ba? Anyway, what else do we have here? Yeah, rounding out the cabin, we've got a pair of cup holders here. We've got a 50-watt wireless charge pad there. And when you look up, we also have a sunroof. Wow, that gives this vehicle, yeah, a really premium driving experience. Now, most people who will buy the Chery Tiggo Cross HEV will probably drive the car themselves, but for their rear passengers, well, they will have a nice and comfortable ride here. You see, the space is just big enough for 3 average adults, although it would be ideal to just limit it to 2 rear passengers. That way you can deploy the center armrest that also comes with a pair of cup holders. Now, we also have a solo rear AC vent here and a solo USB Type-A charge port. So yes, if you would need to charge and you are one of the 2 rear passengers here at the back, yeah, you will have to take turns if you're going to use that solo USB Type-A charge port. Now, the rear end design gets a set of full LED taillight units as well as some design patterns here that follow that of a tiger stripe. Now, this Tiggo Cross HEV gets a manual liftgate there, but when you pop it open, you get 380 liters of cargo capacity. Now, that, my friends, is still good enough for a large tanker luggage. You can see, you can put one large tanker luggage there plus some smaller items beside it. Now, here's the fantastic part, pare. When you lift the floorboard here at the back, you see that we have the 12-volt charge, the 12-volt battery there. Sorry, but when you further lift this up, yeah, there you go. See, the Tiggo Cross is a full hybrid, but mga dude, pare, we still get an actual donut spare tire here. Now that is fantastic. Oh yeah. Huh.
Usually, mga dude, pare, I don't do drive segments in an unboxing video, but dudes, I gotta give it to you, pare. This Tiggo Cross Hybrid deserves an initial drive impression. I mean, pare, the first thing that I noticed with this was how smooth and refined and quiet the drive is. You see, I know that this is a hybrid electric vehicle, but when I'm driving this vehicle around, it feels like I'm driving an electric car. It feels like I'm driving an electric vehicle in terms of overall refinement. Now, pare, I'm going to pop it in sport mode. Sport mode?
It has entered sport mode.
There you go. We're now in sport mode, and we're going to see what kind of performance we can get. Let's go. Holy cow! Whoa, man! Woo! Okay! Okay! Woo! Dude! Wow! Oh my gosh! Yeah, you could really feel all of that maximum 310 Newton meters of torque from the Tiggo Cross Hybrid. I mean, mga dude, pare, in the words of Anna in the movie Frozen, this is amazing! It's so amazing. Anyway, I'm not gonna get to... Yeah, going back to economy mode now. I'm not gonna get into too much detail in this video because, yeah, this is a quick first drive impression. But from what I'm seeing, yeah, the Chery Tiggo Cross Hybrid has a ton of potential. See, and I really can't wait to get my hands on this vehicle for a longer time so that I can give you guys a full driving review video of the Chery Tiggo Cross Hybrid. Anyway, at this point, time for the outro.
The Chery Tiggo Cross HEV is a classic case of having your cake and eating it too. It's a powerful yet fuel-efficient subcompact crossover that will not give you range anxiety nor force you to install a wall charger at home. It also has all the safety features and driver assist aids you can ever need, and it comes with all the tech and connectivity to satisfy any tech head out there. And the fact that Chery Auto Philippines managed to give us this crossover at a very compelling price level means that the Chery Tiggo Cross HEV is probably the nearest to perfection that a subcompact crossover can ever get. Thanks for watching.